So we now use the Venn diagram to illustrate set operations. So we have here complement. Okay, so the shaded area of figure represents the complement of A. So, di ba, na-discuss na natin to last meeting. No, if an element does not belong to set A, so then it must be belong to a complement of A. So, ibig sabihin, pag sinabing complement of A, yung mga elements daw except sa elements ni A. Yun yung complement of A. Okay? Ibig sabihin, symbolically, we write the A prime is equals to X such that X is an element of U. Element daw ni U, element sa universal, na hindi element ni A. Hindi element ni A. So, yun yung mga elements na complement of A. Next, union of sets. Ano yung union of sets? Ibig sabihin, it is just the combinations of all the given set. Ano? So, the shaded area of the figure represents the union sets A and B. If an element belongs to either of the sets, so it will belong to their union. Okay? Symbolically, we write the A union B is equals to X such that X is an element of A or X is an element of B. According to the definition of the union of two sets, X is an element of A union B. If and only if X is an element of A or X is an element of B. Okay? So, this one, so it is just the combination of all the elements. So, ito yung union. Itong lahat, ano? Itong lahat na A at saka B. So, A is an element of A and X is an element of B, then X is an element of A union B. No? If X is an element of A and X is not an element of B, then X is an element of A union B. So, element pa rin siya ni A union B. So, if X is not an element of B and X is an element of B, then X is an element of A union B. And if X is an element of A, excuse me. X is an element of B and X is an element of A, then and X is an element of B, then X is an element of, not an element of A union B. So, yun yung sinasabing or. No? X is an element of A or X is an element of B. Intersection. The shaded area of the figure represents the intersection of sets A and B if an element belongs to A and B. So, it will belong to their intersection. Symbolically, we write the intersection B. A intersection B. So, X is an element of A and X is an element of B. So, according to the definition of the intersection of two sets, X is an element of A intersection B if and only if X is an element of B and X is an element of B. So, that is if X is an element of A and X is an element of B, then X is an element of B. So, unang definition, lahat daw, kung yung X element ni A, element din ni B. Ano? Then, X is an element of A intersection B. Pangalawang definition, kung si X element na A and not an element of B, ano ba yung X element ni A and X is not an element of B? So, this one, ito, ibig sabihin, hindi siya intersection. Diba? Si X is not an intersection of A intersection B. No? Sunod, if X is an element of, not an element of A, and X is an element of B, ibig sabihin, this one. Then, hindi siya intersection. X is not an element of A, and X is not an element of B, then X is not an element of A intersection B. Ibig sabihin, this one. So, ano yung natira? Ito lang. Ano? So, except sa mga not an element, all is intersection na. Except this one na definition. So, ibig sabihin, ano yung tinutukoy na element ni A na element ni B? No? So, this one lang. Itong part lang na to. Yung hindi na-mention dito sa tatlo. Na not element, di ba? So, kung ang definition mo as element ni A na hindi element ni B, yung this one, so, hindi siya intersection. Kung yung X mo is not an element ni A pero element ni B, hindi din siya intersection. Kung yung X mo is element ni, not an element of A, not an element of B, so this one, the universal na element, labas sa set, then hindi din siya yung sinasabing intersection. So, yung sinasabing intersection is this one, yung nasa gitna. Yung common nila, ni A at saka ni B. Okay?